welcome. My name is Brittany. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my baby fetal Doppler, and I'm going to go over how much it costs at the moment, and I'm going to show you guys how I use it. Before we get into everything though, I do want to give a quick disclaimer. Obviously, I am not a trained professional, so I'm doing this at home of my own will. And if you do decide to get a fetal Doppler, if you're unable to find your baby's heartbeat, do not panic, because again, this is not you're not in a medical facility doing it. You're probably not a physician, so if you feel like anything may be wrong, make sure you contact your physician. They of course have better equipment at the office and they know exactly how to use it. So just want to give that disclaimer. All right, so let's go ahead and start by showing you guys. This is my baby Doppler. It's a Sonoline B blue baby Doppler. My friend actually gave this to me. I did not purchase it myself. She had it for her pregnancy. She didn't really use it a lot and asked me if I wanted one. Excuse me. So I accepted it gladly because of course, why not? These can get, you know, a little pricey. So this is what the actual Doppler itself looks like. Okay, it has a power button, button for the lights, and then another button that I don't use, and then of course the wand. Now I do not believe that this came with the gel itself. When she did give it to me, she gave me a small tube of gel, so your Doppler may or may not come included with a small tube of the gel, but if not, I'll also show you the Aquasonic ultrasound transmission gel. You can get this gel off of Amazon and it's not expensive at all. It's a good size. This could probably last you throughout your pregnancy if you're not using the fetal Doppler every single day. So pretty good size in case you need to buy the gel if it's not included with your baby Doppler. Okay, so online, this Sonoline B Doppler is looking like it's retailing for $59.95 currently. Again, I did not purchase this myself. My friend did give this to me to have, but Amazon does have other options for fetal Dopplers if you don't want to go with this one. This one works pretty well for me. I have not had a problem with it since it was given to me. I used it during my first pregnancy with my son, and now I've been using it to listen to my daughter. You do need to wait until you're at that marker where you can hear the baby, because if you do it too early, the baby might be, you know, too small for you to detect at home with your home fetal Doppler. So again, you can ask your healthcare provider about using one of these and when would be the best time to try and do it at home. We're gonna go ahead and get into me demonstrating how I use my fetal Doppler. All right. All right, guys, ignoring the double chinage here now, I'm going to show you how I use it, so excuse the belly. All right, so I'm going to adjust this without flashing anybody, because I want to put the gel down here at the bottom of my stomach. You know, it's hard to see doing this by myself, but I usually do it by myself anyways, even if someone's here. If my husband's here, I usually do it myself. And I'm going to take out the Doppler. Make sure you have some paper towel or something to wipe off with after. I'm going to go ahead and power this on. You guys should be able to hear sound coming from it already. I'm going to take the wand off, and then we're going to look for baby's heartbeat. It gets a little loud. And she just kicked me. take me a second to find where she is since she's gotten bigger. So if you guys can hear. And hopefully you guys could hear that. I think that one was louder. It keeps moving out there. You guys, she keeps kicking this Doppler. There we go. A better sound. Alright, so then I just turn it off. On the screen it does like display heart the rate, but I don't trust these over the one at the, again, when you go get an ultrasound and stuff and they tell you the baby's heart rate, theirs is going to be more accurate than the home Doppler. So again, don't freak out if heart rate seems low on your at-home Doppler. Clean this up. I'll sit back up and talk back to you guys. So again, if you have a hard time, you see how I had to fidget around to find her. Again, not a healthcare professional, and you probably won't be either. So don't freak out if you can't find it at first. You know, maybe get your partner to help you, or one of your parents if they're around to help you find the heart rate or heartbeat. Try not to freak out, okay? But again, if you feel like something's wrong, always contact your healthcare provider. Like I said, that works pretty well. And of course, again, it's not going to be as accurate as in-office Dopplers, but you know, it's nice having something like that at home to get to listen to baby. I will let you guys know again in the description box the name of the Doppler, and I will also link the gel. I will link it in the description box for you as well. If you have any other questions for me, comment them down below and I will try and answer them. Or if you have any other pregnancy videos that you want to see from me, also comment down below and I will try and get it out for you guys. Thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well and join me over on this channel, and give this a big thumbs up for me if this was helpful to you, and then I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, bye bye.